What is up guys, Tech is here, and I'm back again with another video, but this time I'm going to be doing an unboxing of the MagSafe wallet that was released alongside the iPhone 12 and 12 Pros. I did have this shipped out to me, but it was going to take around, December time for it to come, so I found this at my local Apple store and I decided to take a look and see what all this leather wallet is about. So pretty much what this does is it clips onto the back of your iPhone 12 and 12 Pro using the new magnets that are called MagSafe on the back of the devices, and it allows you to carry around 3 credit cards on the back of your phone. It's a pretty cool feature, especially if you had like those sticky on wallets before for your iPhone, but this one uses magnets, so it's a little bit more secure than that sticker wallet, but at the same time I'm not really fond of this new wallet because it doesn't have the magnet strength that I was expecting. As you can see, it's made of the same material that their leather cases used to be made of. I know there's no leather cases right now for the iPhone 12 and 12 Pro, but I believe that later on we'll have those leather cases, and it will kind of match better with the leather cases than honestly the silicone ones or the clear one that has been released so far. You can see here that there's a little fake, credit card style cardboard that's inside the leather wallet, and then, it's pretty much 2 pieces of leather stitched together and with magnets inside. I mean, it is of really good quality. I like how the leather is, but like I mentioned before, it kind of looks odd with that silicone case and the leather on the top, so I would more prefer it if it was a leather case down the road. Otherwise, it doesn't add that much bulk to the actual device. It clips on rather nicely. The only downside is, you put it on the back of the device, it shows, the little wallet animation on the screen because it knows it's a MagSafe accessory. But the downside, like I mentioned, is the fact that it doesn't clip on perfectly. So basically what happens is it connects to the magnets on the back of the phone, and it leaves that swivel mark around the actual silicone case, which Apple, notified everyone about. But at the same time, I don't like how, it clips on, because if you put it on the first time, it's fine. But the moment it moves, it doesn't move back in place. You have to take the wallet off completely, and then it snaps right back into place. So the alignment magnets that are there, they do a good job the first time you put it on the wallet. I'll put it on the actual wallet on the phone, but not all the time. So, it might not be snug and it might fall off actually, which is a big concern with keeping your credit cards in there, The other cool thing is they did add, the RFID shielding inside. So like none of your cards will be demagnetized. But at the same time is, do you want to put your cards in here? Because it being so loose, you could easily lose this wallet while putting the phone in your pocket, even without a case, as you can see in the video. But otherwise, it looks good. I mean, it looks cool. It looks how they did at the keynote. I don't honestly prefer it just because of the fact that, it's kind of risky, especially for having your credit cards on there. It would be kind of cool if they made like a notification system where it tells you, if you lost that wallet or it fell off at some point, and to notify you, hey, your wallet's missing. But honestly, you would feel it. But it's a cool idea if they integrated something like that because, having the MagSafe, the software knows that wallet's actually on there. So that would be a pretty cool feature if they actually incorporate that later down the road. Otherwise, the form factor is great. I mean, it's a pretty cool accessory. It becomes kind of bulky if you have the silicone case and the wallet on there. And you have to remove the actual wallet every single time to charge the device if you want to use MagSafe. But, that's known because of the fact that there's cards in there. And the cards don't slip out. As you can see here, I put my Apple card in there, and even with one card only, they thought of the idea where it won't slip out. And that's a pretty good feature. You can take off the wallet and push your thumb in there. That way you can bring the cards out more easily. That's pretty nice as well. However, how many times do you have to take the wallet off the phone to realize that, it's going to become loose over time, and then the leather wallet won't be actually clicking to the magnets as well as it did before. So you have to keep that in mind as well. Over time, it probably will become looser, especially if you take it off every time to slide out those cards. I mean, it's a pretty smart idea. A lot of people did mention that you could possibly use this as a separate wallet in a different pocket, or maybe just attach it to the phone only when you need it outside of your pockets. But otherwise, it was meant to be on the actual phone at all times. So I can kind of find it as a bummer that it's not as strong. But overall, I'm not so excited about the wallet with the fact that, it's pretty loose. Cool accessory, cool idea, but I just wish it was better produced. Otherwise, if you like this video of an unboxing of the leather MagSafe wallet, then don't forget to give me a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. And I'll catch you guys in the next one. Tech is out.